Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your LLC to get a car. First, understand the significant benefits of purchasing a vehicle through your business entity. Ensure your limited liability company is properly established and in good standing with all state requirements. It's crucial to determine if the vehicle will be used primarily for legitimate business purposes, as this forms the foundation for all subsequent steps. This initial assessment helps you leverage your LLC effectively for vehicle acquisition. Next, focus on securing financing directly in your LLC's name, leveraging its established credit history. Lenders often view business loans differently, so prepare your company's financial statements. Consider making a down payment of at least 20% to secure better interest rates and reduce your overall loan amount. Ensure all purchase documents, including the bill of sale and title, clearly list your limited liability company as the legal buyer, not you personally. One of the primary advantages is the ability to deduct a significant portion of vehicle expenses. This includes depreciation, mileage, fuel, insurance, and maintenance costs. Maintaining meticulous records of all business-related vehicle usage, including mileage logs and receipts, is absolutely essential for substantiating these deductions. Always consult with a qualified tax professional to ensure you maximize all eligible deductions and remain compliant with tax laws. Finally, maintaining strict separation between your personal and business finances is paramount to preserve your LLC's liability protection. Avoid commingling funds at all costs. Adhere to all state and federal regulations regarding business vehicle ownership, including proper registration and insurance. Regularly review your LLC's operating agreement for any relevant clauses concerning asset acquisition and ensure ongoing compliance to protect your business and its assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.